Hello,
Hello, good
good morning.
morning.
How are
How are
you?
you,
Yeah, I'm
Saraswati?
fine, sir. Yeah, I'm fine. How about you? And how was your weekend? And what are the
Yeah,
things
it
you
was
did?
it was hectic. It was hectic.
Uh-huh.
In fact, I wanted to resume my sessions on Thursday because I
Mm-hmm.
was back by Wednesday evening. I was back
Mm-hmm.
home, but I was down with a severe cough, cold. So then
Mm-hmm.
I met a doctor. I Then he gave some medicines. Now I'm better, not completely cured, better.
Mm-hmm.
Cough
Mm-hmm.
and cold. We went to a
Yes.
place, and I told you, I think I remember that day, my mother-in-law's first death anniversary.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so we had to offer some last sacrifices, some rituals. So we went
Mm-hmm.
to a faraway place. It's around 400 kilometers from my
Okay.
place. So we took a 13-seater bus,
Mm-hmm.
and the close relatives, not the extended family. We went
Mm-hmm.
there, we did the puja, we went visited some temples, then we
Okay.
came back. How
Mm-hmm.
is otherwise? How's life?
Yeah, life is going good as it is. Everything is means I do everyday practice and normal same routine I follow.
I've
It is
seen
yeah,
some of your videos with other coaches, and you're doing extremely well. No, I
yeah.
like it. And one video they were talking about the flashcards. You made the flashcards and you showed it to
Yeah,
Neetu.
with
Neetu,
Pritam
this
Pradhan. Yes.
Neetu,
Yeah.
Neetu, I think.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay,
okay.
nice. So you have pen and pencil?
Yes, I have.
Yeah. You write one sentence. I don't know whether you have seen
Yeah.
this sentence. She told him that she loved him.
She told.
She told him
Hmm.
that
Hmm.
she loved him.
Loved him.
Okay,
Yes.
read that. Read that.
She
She.
told him that she loved him.
Okay. Now I'm going to give you an exercise. You have to complete that exercise.
Hmm.
Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. You have to make 7 sentences.
Okay.
Okay. You have to use only in front of all the words.
Um, what I
You
have to
make
use?
use only,
Only.
ONLY. Only she told him that she loved him.
Hmm. Okay.
The next, she only told him that she loved him.
Hmm.
You didn't get it.
Yes, yes, I got.
Yeah.
Means
So
I
you
have to
you
use
one,
only
two, three, four,
different
five,
places
six
and make different
sentence.
sentences.
So you have 7 words,
Hmm.
7 words, and use add the word only. It's an adverb
On different places.
in front of every word in this sentence, and
Mm-hmm.
see how the meaning changes. And you have to
Mm-hmm.
explain me what is the meaning. So make seven
Okay.
sentences.
Okay.
Seven
Yes.
sentences you must have written, right?
Yes.
Okay. What's the first sentence? And you explain what's the meaning of that.
First sentence. Only she told him that she loved him. केवल means only
हिंदी में
she told
बोले.
means
या
only उसने कहा means only she told him. केवल उसने कहा कि वो उसे प्यार करती है.
ओनली शी.
Yes.
दूसरा कोई लड़की नहीं बोला.
हाँ. Only she.
हम्म,
केवल उसने कहा. Only she.
हम्म.
And second one. She only told him. केवल उसने ही कहा.
शी ओनली टोल्ड हिम. दूसरे कोई बात नहीं हुआ.
हम्म. She
दूसरे बात नहीं
only.
हुआ.
हाँ. She
उसने
only
उसको
told.
बोला है कि शी लव्ड हिम.
Yes.
दूसरे बात नहीं. ये नहीं कि ये मैं जा रहा हूँ, मैं टूर पे जा रहा हूँ, मैं शॉपिंग पे जा रहा हूँ, ये कुछ बात नहीं हुआ. शी
हाँ.
ओनली टोल्ड हिम दैट
Yes.
शी लव्ड हिम. मैं तेरे को प्यार शादी करना चाहता है और हम लोग लंदन में सेटल करना चाहते. वो कुछ नहीं बोला. ओनली दिस
Hmm.
पार्ट. ओके. थर्ड वन. शी
Third
टोल्ड.
one. She told him only.
शी
केवल
टोल्ड ओनली हिम.
that is that we told now.
No,
Second one
first
is
one
she
is
told.
only. First one is only she told him.
Told him.
Second
Yes.
one is she only told him.
Yes.
And third one is she told only him that she
She
loved
told only him. Yes. She told
him.
only him. मतलब
इसका
सिर्फ
मतलब
उससे ही कहा.
सिर्फ उसी को कहा, एक्स
हाँ.
वाई जी को नहीं
Only.
कहा,
हाँ.
इसको
She
नहीं कहा,
only.
उसको नहीं कहा, इसको नहीं कहा,
Yes.
सिर्फ शाहरुख खान को कहा कि
Hmm.
she loved only him. She
Yes.
told him only that she loved
केवल उसने उससे ही कहा.
him. No fourth one, no fourth one.
Fourth one.
Hmm.
She told
that की
him
पहले.
only.
She
She
told
told
him
him
only
only
uh,
that she loved
that.
him.
दूसरा कुछ नहीं कहा.
हाँ.
ओनली दैट मैं तेरे को प्यार कर रहा हूं, ये
Hmm.
वट एवर इट इज, यही उसी ने कहा. ओके,
Yes.
देन नेक्स्ट
Yeah.
शी टोल्ड हिम दैट ओनली शी लव्ड हिम.
Yes.
इसकी उसके अलावा दूसरा कोई उसको प्यार नहीं करता.
हाँ.
मानी वो जो लड़की बात कर रही है वो सिर्फ वो लड़की उसको प्यार करते हैं. ओके,
Yeah.
शी टोल्ड हिम दैट शी ओनली लव्ड हिम.
Yes.
या दूसरा लव की अलावा कुछ नहीं, कोई नफरत नहीं, कोई यह नहीं, दूसरा कोई इमोशन नहीं.
Hmm.
लास्ट वन, शी टोल्ड हिम दैट शी लव्ड.
Loved
लास्ट
him. Loved
ना,
only him.
मतलब सिर्फ उसी को प्यार करता है. शी इज
Yes.
ओनली इन रिलेशनशिप विद ओनली दैट पर्सन.
Yes.
You got the idea. This is
Yes.
just
Yes.
fun. This is just fun. Like, no, in a sentence, if you keep this word adverb only, it changes the meaning in a different way. So people
Yeah.
think that I can use like I went only to the shop.
Mm-hmm.
I went only to the shop. मैं सिर्फ shop में गया.
Mm.
I only went to the shop.
Mm.
सिर्फ मैं गया shop में. मेरा husband नहीं आया. मेरा बच्चा नहीं आया. Only
Mm.
I went to the shop. So word order is very important. It is
Yeah.
imperative that you should be careful when you use, especially such words.
Yes.
Only. There are many examples like this, but this is a very quintessential example of what you call the word order. You have to
Mm.
be in the right order. Okay, nice. So, do you multitask? When you are doing this recording and posting, do you multitask?
Multitask means.
Like do many jobs at a time?
Mm-hmm.
Like
At the
when you
time
are
of
cook.
recording.
No. Normally, when you are cooking, when you are like
Yes,
you can do.
I do many things means
Yeah.
at a
How,
time.
how how do you do that? How do you manage multitasking? What
I
are
have the
normally
habit
what are
because
the multitask you do? What are the tasks you combine?
mostly suppose if I cook in kitchen, along with that I also suppose if there is some problem of like math related problem or any subject when Shreya study, so I help study, so I'll help her and means answer the
So
question.
you teach
And
her at the same time you cook in the
yes,
kitchen. Huh?
yes.
Then that's so
Sometimes I
two
talk
tasks. Two tasks.
to her
And so you cook, you teach, maybe you talk to your husband over the phone.
over the phone. Yes, that is that is
That is
very
common.
common to
That's
cover
very common.
over the
Mhm.
phone. Yes,
Mhm.
but along with that, suppose if I just keep something for cooking, in between I do other things like if I have the clothes to means dry outside, so I do that work in
Mhm.
between.
Mhm.
Or suppose if at the same time I also edit my videos.
Ah.
Yes.
So this is called multitasking. So what do you think? Which is better, focusing on one task or multitasking? Which is better? What are the advantages and disadvantages of
If you are
multitasking?
expertise in that field, like I am very expert in cooking, so I can
Mhm.
manage along
You
with
need
cooking
not
everything.
focus
Yes, no
so
need to
focus.
focus
No
a
need.
lot.
Hmm.
Yes, so I can
Like
do along with editing, I can do our other things like chopping other vegetables,
so
preparing.
when you
uh,
are cooking, you can read. You can read a
yes, I
book,
can read, I can listen news also.
listen news. You can
Yes,
watch news. You
watch.
can learn something new while
Yes,
cooking. There are some
Nowadays, what
places.
I do, I just record my all the new words and try to listen these words again and again.
Oh, one word you record and listen to that again and again.
All words
You
I
make
recorded.
some make some
Yes,
sentences and listen to your own voice,
yes, yes,
right?
yeah.
No, recently I was I saw one video that
Mhm,
he is teaching how to sing a song. Suppose
mhm,
you liked one song.
yeah.
Do you sing little bit? You sing, right?
Mhm,
So which is tell me one favorite song. Your favorite song.
mhm.
Tell me.
Okay, any favorite song?
Mhm.
Lots of favorite song I have now, but
Anything which comes to your mind.
चुरा लिया है
चुरा
तुमने.
लिया है तुमने न ला ला.
हाँ,
Okay, now you want to sing that song.
yes.
Can you sing the song, entire song, without looking into the lyrics or with the full emotions of the song? Can you sing that song?
Not if because now I forgot all the songs. Otherwise,
Or
I
the
can.
lyrics
Yes.
you forgot. So normally what people do is, like, if you like a song, you will listen to that song 2 3 times, and
Mm-hmm.
then maybe you will jot down the lyrics,
Mm-hmm.
or these days you can get a printout of the lyrics, right?
Yes.
You
Yeah.
can take the lyrics and get it printed. But that's not the right way. This is that
Mm-hmm.
audio. And I was really shocked to hear that.
Mm-hmm.
He says, that person, he says, he's a teacher, music teacher. He says, if you like a song and if you want to sing that way,
Mm-hmm.
exactly the way that singer sings,
Mm-hmm.
never ever jot down or take down the lyrics.
Yes.
Never. Okay. Only thing you have to do is listen to that song. You can
Mm-hmm.
put it in a loop. Suppose it's in the YouTube, you put it in the loop. Loop means the song will be over, then again it will replay.
Yes.
So put that song in the loop, and suppose you are in the kitchen, continue listening that. Suppose you are in the
Yeah.
gym, listen to that. Like
Yeah.
multitasking,
Yes.
So,
Yes.
like, sometimes you pay attention to the lyrics,
Mm.
and how many times you have to listen?
Many times.
Many. What's the number?
Um, Uncountable because
Uncountable. So he was telling maybe you will have to listen to that 100 times.
yes.
So 100 times means one song was 4 minutes. So
Mm-hmm.
in 1 hour, 1 hour you can, like, 15 times you can listen that.
Yes.
And 2 hours 30 times, four
Mm-hmm.
hours 60 times. So six
Yes.
hours almost 100 times you can listen.
Mm.
So it need not be in one day. Like one day you can listen it like 20 times, next day
Yeah.
15 times, 20. So by the time you listen it 100 times, the whole lyrics will go into your blood, your body, your brain. You
Mm.
will assimilate that song with the
Yes.
entire emotion.
Yes.
Then, and while listening, you should not even hum the song
Mm-hmm.
like you are listening to Ralia. So you should not. No, you'll
Mm.
only listen, not
Yes.
even try to hum that song, because
Mm.
after like 90th or 100th time, you automatically start singing with the entire modality, the song, the
Yes.
emotion, the lyrics, the ups and downs. The entire song will be
Yeah.
ingrained in your mind.
Yes.
Then that song is yours.
Mm.
So I was thinking, why not we do this with English?
Yes.
Listen to something several times. Listen to an English song.
That
Take,
happens, I had session with Pritam Pradhan yesterday, a day before yesterday.
okay.
So I just asked him how you started your journey. Are you from English background or other vernacular background? So he shared his experience. So he told that he also used to practice on Ace Fluency application earlier,
Hmm. Mhm.
and he started journey around 2017 or 18.
Mhm.
And every day used to watch English movies 4 or 5 hours every day.
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
So listening is the key. That's what I want to tell you. Listen as much as English possible.
Yes.
Binge watch web series or movies.
Mm.
Okay, so if you want to have a quick fix, if you want to
Yes.
do it as early as possible, so we say read as much as possible, write as much as possible. These are all good, they are all
Yes.
fantastic methods to work on your communication skills. But listening, because you
Yes.
learn to your mother tongue by listening,
Yes. Yes.
so you have to learn any new language by listening.
Mm.
So binge watch some of the web series, select some good web series. If
Yes.
not, if not, take a song, English song,
Mm.
and listen to that song several times. Put it in a loop so that will play again and again and again. Suppose you are doing exercise, listen to one. So select one song, repeat it for 2, 3 days. Don't sing
Mm.
along. Don't sing along, but
Yes.
you will absorb the way of speaking
Mm.
English then maybe
Yes.
automatically you start singing that song.
Yes.
Initially,
Yes.
you'll find it very difficult. So if
Yes.
you can sing songs, that means you are a good speaker.
Mm.
You reach that level. So,
Yeah.
starting from today, I encourage all my viewers or all
Mm.
the students of Humming Space, the followers of Humming Space, start listening some English music and play it on a loop and listen to that minimum 15, 20 times a day. When you are
Yes.
driving, listen to that. When you are in a gym, listen to that. Multitask. If you are in the
Yes.
kitchen doing something, listen. But not Hindi songs or any other
No. No.
language.
No.
Yes, nowhere churalia. No more churalia. So, yeah. Or,
So.
yeah. So, if you want, you can translate that song. You have stolen
Mm.
my heart. No, churalia, mera dil. You have stolen my heart. So, you can translate. Yeah, that's a good way.
Yes.
That's
Yes. Yes.
very good way. Like if you take your favorite song and try to translate that into English, see the
Mm.
different how you can develop web series like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, and every episode or every season will have a beautiful
Mm.
story like 30 minutes. Then you will be anxious to watch the next one,
Mm.
because they all stop at a cliffhanger. They will be
Mm.
stopping at the end. The ending will be so suspenseful, so you will be bound to watch the next one. So
Yes.
you will be so eager to watch the next episode.
Yes. Yes.